How do we ensure simplicity of our technology, and how do we ensure that when we're putting technology into our branches, it's good? IT is an ever-changing environment. We've got 180 branches at Kennards Hire across Australia and New Zealand. We have to service a lot of technology for those branches so that they can service our customers.
Kennards Hire, obviously a hire company. We've been operating for about 70 years now, opening in 1948. We're just shy of 1,500 employees and we've got 3 data centres globally. So IT is very important for Kennards. We try and stay ahead of the curve when it comes to technology, security, and I guess just general well-being in terms of moving away from the manual side of things towards empowering our employees to be able to do their daily job.
And what keeps me up at night is ensuring that the environment's secure and safe.
We chose Fortinet for a couple of reasons. One of those was the relationship we were able to build with the guys. Another one was the value they provided. And the other was the technology standpoint that they had aligned with our values at Kennards and where we wanted to take the network and the infrastructure.
The opportunity to work with Kennards, understand their business needs and watch their transformation as an organisation has been a real exciting time for everyone involved at Fortinet.
We've been with Fortinet since 2011. Prior to Fortinet, a lot of the issues were faced around system downtimes and interruptions, which ultimately affected a customer experience. So we want to keep the customers coming back, we want to keep them happy, and to do that we need to empower the branches to be able to run as seamless as possible.
We pride ourselves in our service, so it's absolutely paramount that our technology is really, really good.
Obviously having a strong network foundation enables that. So we worked very closely with the Fortinet guys. We did a full refresh for getting the infrastructure SD-WAN ready. We deployed the hardware to 180 branches in 8 weeks.
180 branches in 8 weeks, an extremely successful deployment.
I don't think we would have been able to do it without them, to be honest. The FortiManager really allowed us to streamline the deployment process from a few days to around 20 minutes, where we could have a fresh vanilla device out to a site, and within 20 minutes we could have a fully operational branch. So one of the drivers for the SD-WAN solution was really to make the network invisible, keep it online and enable our branches to be able to serve customers and to really get our infrastructure cloud ready. It also gives us increased reliability and performance. We've now been able to reduce the failover times from roughly 2 to 3 minutes to a couple of seconds, so that's about a 15 times increase in failover. The future is moving away from hardware to virtual, obviously keeping that relationship with Fortinet and working with those guys to see how we can now move from an on-premise data center towards a virtual cloud infrastructure utilising their products to keep the borders closed and protect the borders for us.
Fortinet's customer service has been great. The technology is rock solid. It really gives us options. It gives us options around how we create our network of the future. That's the key thing for me.
I love the Kennards team and they're an exceptional business to work with. They have embraced our journey as a vendor and we've embraced them as a customer.
We have the right technology provider, and that's Fortinet.